Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I am gonna show you how to apply step by step for a work visa to Italy. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you I have opened DGIT, Directorate General for Italians Abroad and Migration Policies official website. So I have gone to visa for Italy section. So for that there's a questionnaire here. This you need to fill as per your case. So I have filled nationality India, country of residence India, more than 90 days, and reason for your stay. If you open this drop down, you have multiple options. So this is the best way to start as per my opinion, because this is official site and you're gonna find out official answers to your questions. So I clicked on go to answers, and if I scroll down I can see what are the answers that have appeared. So this is what you have selected. So they have given in visa entry form, passport size photograph, valid travel document, authorization to work from relevant immigration desk. Okay, all right. Now where to apply? So this is again based on the location. So for example, I selected India. So for India it is showing Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi. Okay, and as per jurisdiction, okay, like following consular districts based on your state in India. If you are from India, you can understand what does it mean. So similarly from your location it can be. And one more thing, like they have also said that they have outsourced it to VFS. So when you open, this is what it appears to be. And I'll just go back. Yeah, so here you can go and click on start now. So again, like they have identified visa type. All right, again they have put the same information about the jurisdiction, okay, and some other rules. You can go through this, and let's say you fall somewhere in this jurisdiction, and so like you need to go as per the jurisdiction. So I'm clicking on this link. All right, so select the visa type. So I have employment visa. So they have given. All right, so this authorization we saw there as well. Now visa fee, very important. You can see they have given VFS charges also. Document required, very important. So this is the checklist. Let's click on that. Application form, two recent size, passport photo, authorization, okay, flight reservation, photocopy of all observation, employers ID copy, supporting documents, proof of, okay. So based on your situation it matters. All right, and you need to show, please show original documents at the time of submission of application for verification. Okay, so now if I go to the application form tabs, I have this application form. If I click on this, again this is for New Delhi. So if you are in some other jurisdiction, you need to follow based on that. Photograph, surname, name, date of birth, place of birth, marital status, gender, travel document, number of travel document, home address, residency, current occupation, main purpose of journey, Italy, destination in Italy, company details, calls of traveling to stay, okay. In some sections you can see they have given some information. If your family member who falls under this, their information, and then signature, okay. All right, here is the signature, please. All right, So that's it for now, guys, and once you are done you can schedule the appointment on the VFS site. We have already seen that. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, so they have given the steps like collect documents, book an appointment, and then pay your fee. How you can pay that also, you have okay. So now the process is clear. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank